today's class as it is Saturday. So I leave up to you to choose a topic according to you. If you like, you can tell us any any memorable incident of your life. You can also tell us a story. You can also update us with any information if you like. So it is up to you to, to choose a topic. And so I think you are ready for it. Hmm? If you are ready, then come. Your experience. Even you can also tell us your experience with me with these classes. So whatever you like. So you are free. Okay. So can I get your names in the message box? Very good. So I am happy that many of you have given your names. Rakshit, Harshit, Lakshmi, Gujar, Rohit, Anuj, Komal. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. So we start our class. And first of all, I'm calling Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm giving my views on the topic that is social media. So, we know that what is social media? It is social media is a type of platform that runs in our electronic devices, smart electronic devices, as we can say, like mobile phones, and computers, laptops, tabs, etc. And they we also know this that social media has become a big essential part in our life because we get much information about the world from social media, because we know that as the technology is improving, and we have enhanced our skills in the field of ICT, information and communication technology. In this by this the speed of internet is also increasing, like we have 5G or 4G in our mobiles. By this we can communicate to others very quickly, like information is shared very quickly at a low cost. So, and we know that social media is a platform that shares information in form of in form of videos, text, etc. And like we know that in the past years, when there were not mobiles, we have to communicate everyone by face to face or by letters.
Had to past में जा
Yes,
रहा
sir.
है. हाँ.
Yes, sir. We had to communicate by letters or by communicating face to face. But now with the social media, we can communicate with our mobiles, like with the help of WhatsApp, YouTube, etc. Because and we know that nowadays, if any news comes, we get it quickly by the help of social media. And also social media is a platform for entertainment also, that entertains people a lot. And so and but also with but also with advantages, social media also has its disadvantages, like as the as the uh, as social media is increasing, the screen time of people is also increasing. That is not good, because screen time uh, causes harmful effects to us, like lack of sleep, hypertension, etc. So so and but this is up to the people, that how they use social media in a right way or wrong way. So everyone should try to use social media in a right way. And that's it, sir.
Very good, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. So now, Harsh, come on. Harsh.
So today's topic is as per our choice, na?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is anime. As we all know that nowadays, the cartoons are replaced by anime, which simply means animated shows. But many people imagine that anime just means the animated shows created by Japan, but it is not so. Every show which is animated by AI or using graphics, extraordinary graphics, is called an anime. But nowadays, everybody thinks that anime is just the Japanese things. There are four types in which anime is shown to us. First, manga, comic, and anime shows, and I think that's three only. है ना?
Hmm.
First, every anime show is either in manga or in comic,
Huh.
and they are liked by people as they have a very deep story. They have suspense and background music, graphics, and many more things which attract
Shabash.
mainly the age group of 15 to 25 years.
Shabash. Shabash. Shabash.
And by using it, we can learn many things like how to live a life, how to think dreams, and what are dreams, and how to follow our dreams, and many more. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, yaar. Very nice, yaar. I'm happy. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Archit Maurya, and today's my topic is education based only on marks. So, as we all know very well that in India, we know that education nowadays is only based on marks, which just makes a person dumb and makes him learn nothing. And nowadays, we may see that in our India, there is a grading system by which teachers give grade on the basis of their marks and on the learning that they have learned. But there is catch that only includes the marks that we iterate, and also we know that Indian education is only based on iteration, not on learning, which makes a person unable to unable to think over anything. And because of that grading system, our teachers think that the one who is more the one who will get more marks will be counted as intelligent, and it is happening in our society. And we know that our education system is not based on life skills, which is very important. Like we may see that this education system is just doing nothing, only putting pressure on a student by making him iterate or keep the things in mind which are just not that important in this world. Like we may see that in history we are being taught about other nations, and but we may see that at in our schools there are very few schools where there is given the knowledge of life skills, and also there is AI and IT, not as subject but as skill subjects, but they are taught in a way that they can be used in future. But nowadays, in a few schools where there is AI or IT subject, that is only taught just like a subject, not like a way that it can be used. Or as we know very well that the upcoming time is the time of science, but we know very well that the education system that we have only based on iteration, and that makes us develop, that don't make us develop. And we know that life skills and skills are very important in other time, as AI and IT sectors are growing, which are also making the globalization, the upcoming in the income and the GDP of any country develops. But if we would only iterate the things for marks and for the type of learning that India is consisting of, then we would only destroy our all the skills, and we would be able to do just nothing. So at last I would like to say that teaching should not only be based on marks, it should be based on teaching life skills. That's it, sir.
Very good. Very nice. Shabash.
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi, aa jaओ.
My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today my topic is how to happen accident and what should government do to reduce it. and nowadays accidents are very common, and 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 accident happened in the road,
on roads.
and
On आएगा ना
yes
बेटा
sir,
इन पे रहेगा.
on road,
Hmm.
and nowadays student also use vehicles, they don't follow rule and regulation, and some and many people, some people drink alcohol at while driving,
शाबाश.
and
Hmm.
they don't follow rule, and the accident take place,
Hmm.
and many time many people are in hurry,
Hmm.
so that's why accident take place, and nowadays 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 many nowadays population is increasing day by day, and road, and sir रोडें छोटी पड़ रही है.
Roads
रोड
are becoming smaller.
Yes sir, roads are becoming smaller, and that's why the accident happened, and for it the government should build build high roads, and government should make strict rule and regulation, so that's why the people don't break the rule and regulation, and the government ban some vehicles, so so the accident will not take place,
Hmm.
and
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. बहुत
and
बढ़िया. कोशिश करो बेटा.
and we should drive on the road in a limit, and we should use seat belt, and on the bike we should use helmet, and we should follow rule and regulation,
Rules and
and
regulations. हाँ बोलो जाओ. कुछ चीजें प्लूरल में बोलिए बोलो.
sir,
थोड़ा सा फोकस करो.
and we should don't
We should not.
we,
Don't कैसे
we
आएगा
should
बीच में
not
लगा दिया जाए.
yes sir, we should not break rule and regulation. That's it sir.
Very good, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा, है ना. बस और अपने आप को और अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करो बस. ओके. यस रोहित. Come on. Rohit, come. Where is Rohit? I think he's not here. Rohit. He's not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about our online education system. So, as you all know, that nowadays we are living in a online world, and nowadays accessing technology, education is very accessible to us. We can we can get information and get educate ourselves from online courses. Like there are in online courses there are a lot of, in YouTube also there are many channels which provide free educational content without any without any price or cost, so we can access education easily. But there are these online education also have some limitations, that we easily get distracted while studying, that breaks off flow of study and flow of study, and we are not able to complete our task on time. But if you are focused on completing your task and doing the work that the teachers are giving to you, then you can probably then you will make profit from the online education system. And nowadays we can see that the coachings, offline coachings charge a lot of amount to provide us education that we get on YouTube free of cost, or sometimes in paid batches at negligible cost. So I think that YouTube education, or more specific online education, is spreading day by day, and it is very beneficial also. Like I also study online, and I found it very interesting and very amazing. And not and I don't have realized that the feeling of long distance, because the screen saves that long distance, and we are able to interact, and interact means we are able to connect with the teachers easily. That's it, sir.
Very good. So I'm enjoying your speaking because today you are speaking on different topics. So this is a very
बहुत
great
मजा
thing.
आ रहा है
Sorry.
सर, बहुत मजा आ रहा है
इसमें मुझे लग रहा है कि actually this is the main thing that I want to do. Actually, uh, uh, there should be some interesting things when we have such classes. So because interest is very necessary. So when and I think that when I leave you free, when it is up to you to choose a subject or then speak about it, but always try to polish yourself. It is very necessary. So please carry on. Anuj,
Sir, I would speak later.
then why did you write your name?
Sir, I have not decided my
Okay, you have not yet decided your topic. Okay. But I think someone has spoken your topic that I think you would have chosen that. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, Mr. If you take time, then I think your topic may be stolen by anyone else.
No,
So
sir.
it is better for you to think and
That is my personal, sir.
okay, okay. So now I'm whenever you like, you can call me and you can say that, sir, I am ready. Then I will call you. Okay.
Okay.
So now I am calling Komal. Come on, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Berwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Technical Classes from batch 11, and today my topic is importance of education. Uh, we all know that education is the most important and necessary thing for us, and what we all know that what is the mean of education, and education is the very important thing, and it give us many things like respect, money, and many opportunities, etc. And we can achieve our goals, we can fulfill our dreams, etc. with the help of education. And in the education we can study many things, like we can learn many languages, we can study many types of books, and languages, etc. And we can achieve many things, like many good opportunities, many good jobs, and many good career, etc. So education is the most important thing, and we all know that schools are very important for us, because in the starting time, and education and we get education in schools, colleges, university, etc. And schools teachers gives us many types of knowledge. And in the rural areas there is a lacking of schools, there is a lacking of more facilities. So we can say that our government should provide many facilities and school for poor people. And it is a very good thing, because in the cities there is a rich schools, so poor people can't take this opportunity, and we should remove poverty of education system. And we all know that today is the age of technology and age of science, so we can say that we can use many types of technology in this study, like we can use mobile phones, computers, laptops, etc. So we can study in a we can study with that types of technology. And that type of technology is very good for us. And we should also improve our skills, like we should learn many types of languages. We should improve our typing on computers and laptop, etc. And we should learn many things, and we should improve our skills. And we should do whatever we want. And we should respect our all teachers. We should respect our books. We should respect many types of things. That type things get us knowledge. And education is the most important thing. That's it, sir.
आज तो काफी अच्छा बोला तुमने कल के कंपैरिजन में। फिर भी सभी लोग थोड़ा सा आर्टिकल्स को, थोड़ा सा सिंगुलर प्लूरल को, थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म को फोकस रखा करो। ज्यादातर गलतियां यहीं पर होती है। ओके, बट वेरी नाइस, शाबाश बेटा। विपिन,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is My Dance and Republic Day in my school. Today I dance in my school. I dance in India Wale song.
इंडिया वाले सॉन्ग।
Yes, sir. Today my team has 6 members, but 1 member is not come. So 5 members had work my team.
आराम से, ध्यान से, धीरे
I
धीरे फोकस
dance
करो।
very
छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस।
perfect.
हम्म,
And my dance step is very good.
शाबाश 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 बेटा, वेरी गुड। घबराए मत, बिल्कुल भी मत घबरा। तू आराम से फोकस करके बोल, बस छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बोल बेटा।
He prepared my dance step.
हम्म,
My school gave us 1 chocolate.
टेंस
And
का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा, है ना।
okay, sir. Okay, sir. But some students is not give us chocolate.
है मतलब
My school not is not give us
माय
is
स्कूल,
not
सम स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट गिवन, पैसिव बना देना उसको। सम स्टूडेंट्स,
my school is not give some students because some
डज नॉट आएगा ना।
students
इज नॉट कैसे आएगा बेटा? डज नॉट आएगा ना, मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ।
some students does not participate in dance.
डू नॉट आएगा वहां पे, क्योंकि सम स्टूडेंट्स प्लूरल हो गया। फोकस कर थोड़ा सा,
Not participate in dance.
हाँ फोकस कर थोड़ा सा। हाँ क्या आएगा? तभी तो आएगा, ठीक है।
And on this day, सर तिरंगा लहराने को क्या बोलेंगे?
Unfurl. On this day, we unfurl
On this day we unfurl
our
तिरंगा.
हाँ बोलो, शाबाश,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। थोड़ा फोकस किया करो, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी, है ना। बहुत धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोला करो आप, है ना बेटा। जल्दबाजी बिल्कुल भी नहीं करनी है, बहुत आराम से तसल्ली से बोला करो, है ना। अब आप तसल्ली से आराम से बोलते हो ना बेटा, धीरे धीरे, है ना, तो बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो आप। बिल्कुल मत घबराया करो आप, एक एक चीज को ध्यान में रखा करो आप। ये आदत ऐसी बनेगी बेटा, है ना। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने, शाबाश। खुशी,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about hard work.
हाँ
As
वेरी
we know that
हाँ
hard work is the key of success.
हाँ
Uh, this line is famous as you know very well.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा से बोलने लगा तू यार। हाँ, ऐसा ही चाहिए मेरे को, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से नेचुरल स्पीकिंग चाहिए, बिल्कुल बोल बेटा।
Hard work help us to achieve any goals
हम्म,
and dreams.
हम्म,
Without hard work, we can't get anything in our life.
हम्म,
So if we put our 100% in any work,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ,
so we can get any goal, any things in the whole world.
हम्म,
So that is hard work.
हम्म,
Many people use as you know that technology has advanced a lot. So many people use social media and gradually become lazy.
अरे वाह, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, शाबाश। हाँ बेटा, वेरी
They
गुड।
can't do hard work and they can't achieve any their goals. And
एनी ऑफ देयर गोल्स। हाँ बोल,
yes,
बोल बोल बोल, बहुत
without
अच्छे बोल रही है, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, शाबाश, बोल दिया। हाँ,
the hard work, without dedication, efforts, time, discipline, and patience, we can't nothing. We can't get nothing
हम्म,
in our life. And many people go abroad uh, because because their hard work and like doctor, engineer, uh, and businessman, etc.
हम्म,
So so government should increase their salary and they and they government give many facility for them. Th- and right right direction and right strategy are important in the hard work.
वाह यार बेटा, बहुत अच्छा यार।
And so we I want at last I want to say that so we should remain always positive and we should do hard work in our life always. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार, बहुत अच्छा यार, बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गया बेटा।
Yes, sir.
अब तो खुश है ना तू?
Thank you, sir.
अरे मेरे को काय का थैंक यू देना, मेरे को थैंक यू नहीं चाहिए। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यार।
I'm so happy.
मतलब सच में यार, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू एज वेल एज as well as me. This is the achievement of my life, that I make people speak English. You know, uh, there was a time when it was my dream. How can make people speak English? That was a great challenge before me. But it was my dream. Since the first day when I started teaching, I did not want to teach in ordinary way. I did not want to teach just academic classes. Never from my first day. And I am satisfied that as then schools I have never taught. Uh, Leave aside the coaching centers. Sometimes I gave my energy to the coaching centers also, where I taught academically. But in my own coaching classes, in my own classes, I never taught anyone academic things. Only once when it was the time of Corona. in 2020 when the schools were closed and some students of here who were in 12th class asked me to take academic classes. So that time I took some classes. So, but I like academic classes also, but not in the way of machine. I want to teach with my own way without any pressure. And I'm satisfied that, yes, I have achieved my target. I fulfilled my dream with you. Without you, couldn't be possible. You know, without you. So you means you all, whoever are here with me. So very nice thing, and I am thankful of you all to cooperate to cooperate with me to produce a nice result. So very good. So Simran, now you come, please. Simran, I also proud of you, and I'm proud of you all. Not only Simran, not only Khushi, not only Kajal, but everyone. Thank you very much to give me such happiness. I also try to speak into English with you, and it became only possible with you. It wouldn't be possible without you. So come on, Simran, hurry up.
Yes,
Come
sir.
on.
Good evening, sir. Today I'm telling about free time.
Mm,
So in a days, free time is very important because we all human beings.
mm,
So everybody needs free time, and whenever uh, whenever we do continue work, when we needs free time and some break,
mm,
and when we do hard work, we get yeah, we find free time, and Uh, government gives a lot of holidays because free time is very important, and whenever whenever everyone do hard work and don't leave their work, and don't don't take free time to ourselves. When the person give a frustration, when person get a frustration and worries, and uh,
mm,
and uh, mm, when what I do in my free time. So as well know, free time is very important, and in my free time I do some things what I like.
mm,
uh, I read novels, and I play games in mobile phone, and I do dance,
mm,
and
mm,
I cook what I like. I cook when uh, mm, when I hungry, when I cook something like Maggie,
mm,
and in my free time, I do I watch cartoons, and
शाबाश बेटा, हाँ बेटा, हाँ.
when when I get tired, when I sleep. Uh,
Hmm.
and Rajesh sir know as well. Uh, Rest is very important, and free time is very important. So he will he will take he will give
Will क्यों? He gives, present ही तो आएगा आराम
he
से.
gives
हाँ.
uh, a holiday on Sunday. That's it.
अरे वाह यार, बहुत बढ़िया है बेटा, बहुत अंतर आ गया तेरे अंदर तो, है ना. हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो, सब बस करते रहो आप, सब प्रैक्टिस की चीजें हैं ये, है ना. विदाउट कोई लोड मत लो और आराम से प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, बस सब ठीक हो जाता है. यस, कम ऑन आदित्य, तुम आ रहे हो? चलो आदित्य के बाद आ जाओ आदित्य.
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya, and today's my topic is about government.
हाँ.
As you know that government only see cities because their main thing is cities.
आराम से,
They
छोटे
have
छोटे सेंटेंस है, बिल्कुल क्लियर करके बोलने की कोशिश करो.
yeah, they give permit to make new colleges, and and they and they and they give so many things to cities, and so many technology, and so much things
शाबाश.
which things villagers are not provide, that things cities provide.
हम्म.
And it is very, I know it is very important for our education, in our for our life in cities. But but in villages, in villages, government don't give them hospitals, free free operation, and other things.
हम्म.
Government only waste money on cities. They don't think about villagers, which who give them food. And this is the very it is very bad use of money, because which money government earn, they use that money on villagers to provide them some things like good schools and good education, and also many other things.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा,
But
ऐसे ही बोला कर. हाँ, वेरी गुड.
yes, sir. But government do not understand that thing. They only spend money waste any sir फालतू चीजों पे, मतलब
वेस्टलेस, वर्थलेस थिंग्स.
worthless things, and only, but and villagers uh, make so much noise on government. Please give us some education, but government say that uh, next week we give you some schools and other things, but they uh, never do that things,
हम्म.
and they only do that. We don't give anything villagers. 70, only 70 villages in India. So to think that thing, uh, which
70%, 70
is
नहीं,
a
इंडिया है
70%,
70% विलेजेस. हाँ, ऐसे बेटा, आराम से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, फोकस करके रख, बस फोकस का कमाल है, बोल. हाँ.
and which villagers give them food and so many things. Government don't give them education, only education.
हम्म.
Education, not that like we buy books and some dictionaries, so that not education.
That is not
Education means
education. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
education means a child knowledge of all things which they don't know that thing, and only and and history is very important. When any child don't know about their culture, about their country, they can't do anything in their life. So that's it.
अरे वाह यार, आज बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोला करना हमेशा. हाँ, तो मजा आ गया तेरे को सुनने में. कभी कभी तो ऐसे बोलता है बिल्कुल सूगलों की तरह. ऐसे बोला कर बेटा, थोड़ा सा हमेशा अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी रखो अपने परफॉर्मेंस में, है ना बेटा. हाँ, आज बहुत अच्छा से किया तुमने. यस अनुज.
Yes, sir.
है कहाँ तो तू?
Hello, everyone.
क्या
Sir,
काम लगा देता है तू यार. इसको हटा, इसको मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ तेरे को इधर उधर. तो ये बच्चे लगा के बैठा है. हटा इसको. चुगला सा.
sir, हटा.
हटा इसको.
Sir, ये नहीं हट रहा.
लगाया क्यों था फिर? नहीं हट रहा. तो लगा तो दिया था बड़े मजे में. अब हट नहीं रहा है तेरे से. अरे क्या बैठे लगा लगा के पता नहीं कौन कौन से. बोल, ऐसे ही बोल चल. नहीं हट रहा. बोल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today we are free on speaking that what we speak. So I'm telling you the day I joined. I experienced Army Day parade that was scheduled in Jaipur. So the date was 15th January 2026, and we got a chance to join the parade, and we registered for that. So it was scheduled at the Mahal Road. That is one of the finest road in Jaipur to schedule these types of things, and the time of the parade was from 10 to 11, and the boarding time was around 9, and we three siblings went together there on scooty, and we just got there, and we had not taken. We were not required to sit
Not
on seats.
we did not need. या we. हाँ, ऐसे बोलो 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 बोलो. अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बोलो.
We did not get chairs to sit, but however, I did something, and we got chairs to sit, and we experienced the strength of Indian Army, the unity, the power, and the purpose of these types of parades and occasions that tells us that and it displays strength, unity, and it shows respect to the soldiers that Shaheed,
Martyr.
the Martin on borders, and it is very good time to know your army and the power of it.
शाबाश.
And it was there were a lot of things that was shown to the public, and like there were tanks, the army trucks, the cars, and the Operation Sindoor theme also was there, and the chief guest there was the one of the defense minister Rajnath Singh, and he came there, and he just started, and that just ended in 1.5 hours, and we just came here, and there was another program scheduled in Savai Mansingh Stadium at evening. So I alone I alone went there in a bus, and there as I reached there, that I was thinking that the entry is free and I can I could enter the stadium and enjoy that, but it was not as I thought, and as I as I was about to enter, uh, what I got that you need that I needed a pass, a physical pass, and that I had no that I didn't have,
शाबाश बहुत
and
बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया
yes, sir. And I just got I I got disappointment and
disappointed हाँ
and decided to come back, and then my transport buses was not on the roads that was as regular as at that time, so I on foot I walked some distance, and I reached Jalen Marg. So there something happened, and I want to tell you. So I was just waiting for the bus because bus was about to come at that route, not as regular at Tonk Road. So I was just waiting. So there was a bike of police, and there was also a bus stop. So bus stop was some far, and I just sat on the bike. So it was about 10 minutes, and the inspector came and asked, why did you? No, he asked that उठाने का plan है क्या? And I said नहीं.
what is the matter?
And I said पुलिस की क्या sir? कि how could I lift the bike of police? And and he said, why are you here? What are you
If
doing?
there would be any other bike, I would definitely pick that up. But this is the bike of police, so how it is possible for me to take it? Very good. Yes, come on, carry on.
Yes, sir. And and then he argued with me that why were you doing here? Why are you doing here? And I said that I am waiting for my bus, and then he said that stop. Then he said that wait on the bus stop, and I went on the bus stop, and he sent another inspector to me, and
He sent another
sent another inspector to me, and he also asked that why did you sit at the bike?
So why did you do so? Yeah, and you sat on the bike of police. Why did you do it? Yeah. Okay.
Sir, just I didn't like. So I just so I also answered the same that I was waiting. I was just waiting for bus, and it was too long, and I was tired. So I just sat, and now at that time I was at the bus stop when I was talking to another inspector. So he said that go from here. He touched my back and said ravana ho jao. And I said that my bus is about to come, and he said that this is a private road. The buses not come to from this route. And I said that today it was being scheduled for buses to come from this route, and he just said that you wait for the bus far away from nearby.
Actually, he was
Look,
worried, yeah. Because there are so many scams with policemen these days. So, okay, carry on.
yes, sir. And I just said that was what's your problem? I'm just sitting on the bus stop. So this is for public, na.
Uh, oh,
So here as I started to walk away from them, the bus just came,
hmm.
and I got the bus, and then as I got the bus, I looked at those policemen, and I was too, like, what to say, and I just came and
You reached your
and
home. Very
and
nice.
I and I ate food, and I didn't remember it again.
Hmm.
That's it.
Very good. Nice. Nice incident. Nice experience. Very good. Shabash. Keep it up. और ये पता है ये थोड़ा सा बी केयरफुल. ओके. पुलिस वाले अगर ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो ये उनका काम है. एक्चुअली पुलिस वालों का ये काम है. उनको यही सिखाया जाता है कि तुम हर आदमी के ऊपर शक करो. दिस इज देयर लेसन. नहीं करेंगे तो पकड़ेंगे कैसे? तो इसलिए जो उन्होंने किया अच्छा था. और आपको कभी भी यू शुड नेवर सिट ऑन द बाइक ऑफ पुलिस मैन. ओके.
Okay, sir.
नेवर. ओके. So you worried that man, yeah, with your activities. This is not good. So again, Kajal, आजा बेटा. हम्म,
बोलू सर?
हाँ बोल बेटा.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम
कौन? ओ सॉरी
अनवी.
सॉरी अनवी. सॉरी. आजा बेटा आजा. मैं भी बेटा ऐसे ही हो गया था. आजा बेटा. आजा बेटा. आज तो तू दिखी नहीं मेरे को. आज तो तूने मेरे को गुड मॉर्निंग भी नहीं बोला.
सर मैं आई लेट थी.
तू बाद में बोल देती सुगली.
सर क्लास चल रही थी ना.
कोई बात नहीं. चल अब आ जा.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. So, my today's topic is about a thing which is necessary to today's people. So, as
Yes, come on.
so as
Hmm.
addition is not smoking or eating pizzas. Today's addition is with phone.
Addiction.
Addiction
Ah,
is with phone.
शाबाश.
So one time if we सर उठा लेने को क्या बोलते हैं?
उठा लेना.
Pick up. We think that in one reel we also have to see, and then we kept the phone.
Keep. Okay.
the
Then
phone.
we'll keep the phone. We'll leave the phone. है ना?
We'll leave the phone, but after scrolling, when we are scrolling again, and we think in 5 minutes I keep, but we don't keep.
This is a
As
great problem with human beings. They become addicted to
as you
anything.
are very
Accidents.
accidents related to phone as
Because of phone.
because of phone.
Hmm.
So we have to careful with phone that we can see phone, but not
Shabash. Shabash.
in our limit. Not in a not sir, not को
छोड़ दे. कोई बात नहीं. आगे बोल. अरे नॉट को छोड़ दे. मिटा दे. काट दे. आगे बोल.
At the last, I want to say, sir, say we can speak anything, so I want to speak on anything.
Anything. Okay.
And anything is the purpose of anything. Anything we, if we do anything, we get anything. Anything, that's anything. So that's it.
अरे वाह, मजा आ गया। तू तो जोरदार ही छोरी है, नई नई चीजें लेके आती है।
सर ये है ना लास्ट में इतनी ज्यादा एनीथिंग क्यों बोली?
ये इसका स्टाइल है। ठीक है, ये आज तो एनीथिंग था तो एनीथिंग पे बोल गई है, मतलब इन्हें एनीथिंग ले लो, एनीथिंग आज इतना एनीथिंग बोलूंगी मैं कि आप सुनो अब एनीथिंग।
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है।
अरे बाबूराव का स्टाइल है। मेरे को भी ऐसे बना दोगे तुम अपने जैसा थोड़े दिन में। यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेक मी लाइक यू। वेरी गुड, गुड गोइंग। सो यस, नाउ काजल आ जाए बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Fadil Meena. Today my topic is money.
Money, shabash, very.
We all know that money is very important, and people who don't have money, they he not respected
They are
in.
बेटा, they are not respected. People बोला ना वहाँ पे, they आएगा ना, they are not respected.
They are not respected in society, and money is very important, and we should we should have to money, and if we should earn money more and more, because money is very important nowadays, and we can see that people respect those people who have money, and we can do anything if we have money, and we can fulfill our desires, and we can get education, and we can do anything. And nowadays the value of money is increasing day by day, and people think that money is very important more than people, and people don't respect uh, people because of money, and some people who don't have so much money, and other people who who have a lot of money, those people not respect those people who have so much money, and money is very important, and we can anything if we have money, and uh, money is very important. Money is also very important for me, because I I when I was a kid, I don't think that I didn't think that money is very important, but if uh, nowadays I think that money is very important, because people respect people respect who have a lot of money, and we should have money, and money is very important, because it is only a paper, but it gives us respect and also value, and money is very important, and we if we have money, we can do anything, and we can fulfill our dreams, and we can travel, we can buy anything, and we can do anything for our family, and we are respected in family, and money is very important, and we should have we should have more money, but I think uh, it is not so much important more than people, because people only people make this money so much important more than people. So all people think that money is more and more important rather than a people, and we should not think that money is more than important for a person, and we should value of our family, and we should value those people who don't have so much money, and money is important money is important but not so much, and people people are can people should understand that money can money not everything, and we should respect poor people, and we should think about them, and money is in the last I want to say that money is important but not so much. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, करते रहो बेटा प्रैक्टिस. यस गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is how I spend my holidays with my cousins. So, first of all, the type of cousins or the cousins I'm talking about are Vipin and his little brother Chirag.
अच्छे से बोलना
So,
बेटा, कल की तरह मत करना, कल परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था तेरा. आज
yes,
थोड़ा सा
sir.
अच्छा करना बेटा, कल तेरे से अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस अंजलि का था, थोड़ा सा अच्छे से किया कर, थोड़ा सा, समझ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes, sir. So, first of all, when they every time they come to our house in Jaipur, so we are very excited, and you know that excitement when we meet our cousins in our home after a very long time. Usually we meet together in our village in Mandawar, but we rarely meet in Jaipur, and we have never been to Delhi in their house, never. So then the first day we play games, we talk, we play, and just we play and watch TV and have fun. And it's very pleasing to know that your cousins are coming, and it's very excited, and also it's very playful to play with them, and also there are many fights between us, and that all you can understand my feelings, and also and Anjali and I beat them badly if they are not uh, if they are not obeying my orders. So I beat them, and also we play Roblox together for many hours and many for many time, and I have made them. I have introduced Roblox or not online games were discovered by them only. But the particular game I'm talking about was introduced by me to
बेटा
them.
पेट्रोल देख लेना गाड़ी में.
Sir,
हाँ
what?
बेटा, देख लेना बेटा कितना है क्या है. हाँ.
Yes, sir. So we play for hours, and also and we play games in it and all that. And if there is some mistake or something that is not good for our parents, means we can get scolded for that. We together team up, uh, and we make that thing hidden from adults, so that we don't get scolded.
मना कर रहा है वो विपिन, तेरे को भी ज्यादा मत बोल मेरे बारे में यार, पिटवाएगा क्या तुझे, कैसे हाथ जोड़ रहा है तेरे आगे. हाँ बोल, आगे बोल.
Yes, sir.
कह रहा है कि भाई मान जा चाचा, क्या आज ही पूरी बात बता देगा क्या. बोल, आगे बोल.
And also um, and also and we do very cants, and
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है अभी, तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा को भेजूंगा।
अरे सर, sorry. Sir, we are very obeying and very honest, and
Yeah,
we are.
very good, very good. Shabash. I know. Can't.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, आज बहुत अच्छा बोला तू यार। आज तो कहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए बेटा, है ना। कभी भी किसी भी क्लास को, किसी भी चीज को हल्के में नहीं लेना। ओके, हाँ, नहीं तो कांड हो जाते हैं फिर। ठीक है, चलो। और प्रियंका और कल्पना भी अपना नाम लिखो। कल्पना तो शायद छोड़ बगी, कोई बात नहीं। अंजलि आओ।
यस सर। सर कट हो गई थी।
क्या कट हो गई थी?
कट हो गई थी गलती से, इसकी वजह से।
तू तो पूरी दिख रही है हमें, बोल।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali and my today's topic is daily routine. So, my daily routine is I wake up at 6 a.m. automatically. 6 a.m. automatically.
शाबाश, ऐसे वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोला करो जना।
And I do not know I dance, play, and I sleep. And I sleep. And when I wake up at 11 p.m. 11 a.m. when we see TV from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. when it is 1 p.m. when we study not too much and we start seeing TV also to 2 p.m. when we eat food and I do my Gaurav do his homework and me.
These are yours.
Sir, मैं नहीं करती homework. I do not do my homework.
Then who does?
No one.
If you do not do your homework, then who does?
No one.
Then you don't do your homework.
Because I do not go to school.
You do your homework in school.
No.
Then
I do not go to school.
oh, very bad thing. Okay.
Sometime I go to school.
Do you study in college or university?
No,
Sometimes she goes to school.
class.
Sometimes she goes to school.
So sometime. And when I do my tuition homework, class homework, when I have 1 hour or half hour, so I study with my computer from my computer because my homework comes on mobile and I see and tak आ गया repeat कर क्या and when classes it 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. when I got free, when I do time pass for half an hour.
Okay.
Well,
You pass your time. बेटा सब रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, तेरी मम्मी के पास भेजी जाएगी।
Daily routine में mom see.
Okay, you don't have any fear about your mom. Very good. Your mom see all these things that you are passing time. Okay, very good. Yes.
Yes, sir. And I do my time pass for half an hour. When I go to study and I study for 1 hour and when I came up and see TV and sleep. Bye.
Very good. शाबाश। ऐसे बोला कर, बहुत अच्छे से, अच्छा लगता है ऐसे। कभी कभी होता है तेरी सांस फूल जाती है, ऐसे आराम से बोलोगे तो सांस भी नहीं फूलेगी बेटा, है ना। बिल्कुल अच्छे से बोला करो, मस्त होकर के। यस, कम ऑन। प्रियंका आ रहे हो? आओ।
Yes, sir.
कोई भी चीज, एनीथिंग।
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Priyanka Jain. I am a student of Ramba classes. Today's topic is fear. Fear are everywhere.
आराम से, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे, तसल्ली से, चाहे थोड़ा ही बोलना है पर बिल्कुल तसल्ली से। हाँ,
most of the fair in the village
आर हेल्ड इन विलेज, पूरा बोलोगे ना, होते हैं, लगाए जाते हैं। आगे बोलो।
people go to fair people enjoy fair. People buy think in fair.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे बिल्कुल घबराओ मत, सेंटेंस सही बना बना के बोले जाओ, जो भी आपके मन में आ रहा है, बस और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, बिल्कुल मत करो, घबराओ। हाँ,
people are buy sweet, namkeen, toy, clothes.
आर नहीं आएगा, बाकी सब बढ़िया है। आगे बोलो। हाँ,
people तो झूला झूलते हैं, क्या बोलेंगे?
people enjoy swings.
People enjoy swing. People watch magic circle,
सर्कस, हाँ,
game, etc.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे। ऐसे
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला करो, कम ज्यादा वाली बात नहीं होती है, ज्यादा तो अपने आप हो जाएगा। उस मोड पे आओ आप, है ना, उस तरीके को पकड़ो आप बस, ठीक है? बहुत बढ़िया। और कोई रह तो नहीं गया? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। जरा